Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily know if your LinkedIn message was read. So the first thing that you have to do is head over to linkedin.com/messaging or simply click the messaging icon in the top menu. Then next is just click on the person's name to open the one-by-one conversation and just scroll to your last message or your most latest message and check the bottom right corner. If the message has been read, you should be able to see a small profile picture icon or an eye icon next to your message. Hover over it. It may say seen along with the time. You can also check your settings. Just click on your profile picture, settings and privacy, then go to communications, messaging experience, and make sure read receipts and typing indicators are turned on. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!